Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur. Come along as we explore the spaces that shape learning, research, creativity, and campus life. Get ready to explore one of India's most dynamic and future-ready campuses. Chanakya Complex, the administrative heartbeat of IIT Jodhpur, driving vision, leadership, and innovation. Lecture Hall Complex, where ideas ignite, minds evolve, and future leaders are shaped every day. S.R. Ranganathan Learning Hub, a gateway to knowledge, creativity, and limitless intellectual exploration. At Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur, every department, school, and center reflect the commitment to innovation, excellence, and nation building. Department of Aerospace Engineering, designing the future of flight, space, and intelligent mobility. Department of Bioscience and Bioengineering, advancing healthcare and biotechnology through interdisciplinary innovation. Department of Chemical Engineering, transforming science into sustainable industrial solutions. Department of Chemistry, exploring molecular science for a smarter tomorrow. Department of Civil and Infrastructure Engineering, building resilient infrastructure for a rapidly evolving world. Department of Computer Science and Engineering, powering the digital future through computing and innovation. Department of Economics, understanding economies to shape impactful policies and growth. Department of Electrical Engineering, driving innovation in power, systems, and intelligent technologies. Department of Electronics Engineering, enabling next-generation electronics and communication technologies. Department of Energy and Automotive Engineering, innovating sustainable energy and mobility solutions. Department of Environmental and Sustainability Engineering, engineering a greener and more sustainable future. Department of Materials Engineering, creating advanced materials that shape modern technology. Department of Mathematics, unlocking the language of logic, patterns, and discovery. Department of Mechanical Engineering, engineering precision, innovation, and intelligent machines. Department of Physics, discovering the fundamental principles that power the universe. School of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, shaping the future with AI, analytics, and intelligent systems. School of Design, blending creativity, technology, and human-centered innovation. School of Liberal Arts, nurturing critical thinking through humanities and social sciences. School of Management and Entrepreneurship, empowering leaders, innovators, and future entrepreneurs. Center for Education Technology, reimagining learning through technology-driven education. Manak Rao Center, advancing strategic research for national security and emerging technologies. Medical Technology Center, innovating healthcare technologies for better lives and communities. Rishabh Center for Research and Innovation in Clean Energy, driving clean energy innovation for a sustainable tomorrow. Central Research Facility, empowering cutting-edge discoveries with advanced research infrastructure under one roof. State-of-the-art laboratories, transforming curiosity into breakthrough innovations through world-class scientific facilities. Hostel Complex, more than a residence, a vibrant community where lifelong friendships and memories are built. Sports Complex, fueling excellence, teamwork, and the spirit of resilience beyond academics. Primary Health Center, ensuring wellness, care, and support for the IIT Jodhpur community round the clock. Mess, serving nutritious meals that energize minds and power ambitions every single day. Eateries, lively spaces where conversations, culture, and campus life come together. Bakery and Shopping Complex, a convenient hub catering to everyday needs with comfort and freshness. Fauna, a thriving natural habitat where wildlife coexists beautifully with innovation and learning. From the heart of the Thar to the future of innovation, this is Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur.